we're right to that duct on the floor here. 8 foot. What we got to like a regular seating position type situation. Just under 7 feet, because 7, you might be able to get the door shut, but probably not. Let's see, what's the futon? Futon is roughly 70 inches, which is 2 inches short of 6 foot. So do you want maybe across the top here? I'll get a video of me doing that. If I go like that. That is just over 4 feet actually. At the widest part, 54.5. So that's almost 4.5 really. And at the very bottom here. You know, 55 3/4, 56. At least amount of space width-wise up here. Let's see. You guys there. Let's see. So let's call that 55. You know, usable. You don't want stuff hanging off. Then sometimes I like to put my shoes here. So you'd almost call that, you know, 5 feet, including the, you know, step tray there. And I'm right against that vent. Of course, if you didn't have rear heat, you could probably go, you know, something like that, which would give you 5 feet-ish to there. Now, see what we got between the wheel wells. A full carpet. That is 50.5. So 2.5 inches over 4 feet between the carpeted wheel wells. So yeah, I guess roof height, you know, the other one really. So if we're going kind of, you know, bubble here of the headliner, which gives you the most headroom to my carpet, is 47.5, so you know, roughly 4 feet from floor to ceiling. So that doesn't sound like a lot, and it definitely isn't, but it's enough. Well, hopefully that helps someone out.